Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Akash here, and you're watching Tech Infinity. So, coronavirus has really had an impact on everyone's life, and the smartphone industry is no stranger to it. Well, a couple of phones were going to launch in India soon, and we were really excited to see its launch, but they have been delayed. So, the first phone that has been delayed is the Xiaomi Mi 10. After a long time, Xiaomi was going to release a Mi series device in India. Usually, Mi devices, the flagship devices, were not launched in India because of higher prices, but this was going to be a new start for Xiaomi. And this was going to launch on March 31. However, they have cancelled the launch event and have said that this device launch has been suspended. To quote them, they said, after careful deliberation, we have taken the decision to postpone the launch of Xiaomi's flagship Mi 10 in India, which was scheduled for 31st March 2020. We are evaluating the situation and will release a revised launch date soon. So it's good that they have not entirely given up on the launch. Now, the second device that was delayed, or two devices, were the Realme Narzo 10 and 10A. So these devices were slated to launch in India on 26th March. That was supposed to be today, but due to recently announced lockdown, the company has now postponed launch indefinitely. They said, with respect to the announcement made by our Honorable Prime Minister yesterday, we have decided to suspend all upcoming launches, including the Realme Narzo series. Time for us to focus on family and ourselves, stay at home, stay safe, and cooperate with local authorities. Well, it totally makes sense because both Amazon and Flipkart, which is usually the biggest places where Realme and other Mi devices sell, are not delivering smartphones anymore, and they are currently focusing on grocery and health products for now. Now moving on, and it seems that the POCO F2 will be launched in India, but that will simply be a rebranded Redmi K30 Pro. The MIUI 11 code has revealed this. So the Redmi K30 4G was launched in India last year, and it came to India as POCO X2. The Redmi K30 Pro will see a similar fate, it seems, because in the MIUI camera code it was seen that the Redmi K30 Pro will be launched as POCO F2. The POCO branding was seen on the image, so basically the brand POCO was attached together. For instance, the Redmi K30 Pro codename Lemon was spotted to display the watermark shot on POCO phone. So basically, we can be pretty sure that K30 Pro will launch as the POCO F2. Quick highlight of the K30 Pro: it has the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 system on chip, will support 5G, and it will have a quad camera setup with 64 megapixel main camera and will pack 4700 mAh battery. The Pro variant also features 6.67 inches Full HD Plus display. So this is it for this video. And if you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.